in C programming language, we're going to learn programming language. Is simple to use. It's so powerful. It's portable. It's machine independent, structure oriented, middle level programming language. High speeds when you work with C. It's high speed, high efficiency, as well as it's so flexible. So you can ask yourself, what applications of C? Application of C program. Applications of C program. Programming. There's more application of this C programming language. This can help some applications of C, where you start a C programming language. So in C programming language, in order to work with the C programming language, first of all you must know the structure or the syntax of the C programming language. Structure of the C programming language. Of course, block of codes goes 0. This means that the system running successful. A simple structure. And this one is we call the preprocessor. This one is what you call preprocessor. Preprocessor that includes these header files. Also, this is int main. This int main. This is main functions. That's main function. Each and everything that you write in C, you must write within the main function in order to get the output, as well as you see something that you block of code that's going here, you can be writing the middle of the main functions. And this one, we just open the board and ready for writing our code, as well as return 0 means the program running successful. Often this one is the closing board, means that we are ending of execution. Before proceed with anything, so let's talk some things. In C programming language, we have something called data type. Also, we have something called empty. Let's say empty. We say empty. Empty we say void, and so on. Variables we talk about variables. Example of variable. Example data type. Now X is standing for variable, name of variable. The name of variable. And the name of variable can be any name according to your privilege. And this thing is val, that's to say, or val or data stored. This data stored. Also in C programming language, we have something called comments. In C, if you want to comment in C, something called comments. Comments in C we use this comment for single line. But use this one. This one for multiple line. This for multiple line. So you can put your code that want to be commented here. Okay. And now remember that in comments, comments are not executed. So let us see a simple. Before jumping forward, let us see something called editor. editor as the editing environment, editing environment editor. This is we're just writing the code, but today I'm just going to use something called div div++. As you see in my computer, you have div++, where div++ is this one. So I'm just going to use this one to write a simple programs. C. Keep in mind that the C programming is so simple, it's easier to learn. So that I open this editor, just wait. From there you can say maybe came here to new doc, just click new. And this is the area where you just writing your codes. But remember, we have some tabs here, file tab, editing tab, save tab, view project, and so on. They have some tools that will help you to run, to compile, to debug. But let's try to make a simple program to display one words. Okay. So we start with hash include stdio.h, then int main functions. Functions. Also, this means beginning of the blocks, of course. So you need to print or to display some context. We use something called printf. Printf is a function for displaying something. So say printf, then we must put in this assignment. So learning, let's say learning with in the ending of each line you must terminate using the semicolon. Now if you want to run this program, you first save it. You must save it. So if you want to save it, you come to files, you say save as. So save as. You can save this, maybe I can say test. I can give this name test or learn. Say learn. We have some learn, yes, but this learn, and make sure you change the title here. So this is c.c. This is c, and this extension. If you want to save the program in C, you use extension .c. Now if you want to compile or to run this program, first of all you can press a function key F11, or you can come here. You can compile and run by pressing F compression cut. So just click here to just waiting and to see how it will look after running the programs. Wow, as you see, the first word just repeating dakho, as you see dakho is appeared, and the time executed is this one, and just return value 0 means that the return 0, no errors happen. Okay, that is a simple program. I hope you are so enjoyable. Thanks for watching. That's the beginning of the C program. So let's proceed with the maybe you want to add, for instance, you want to add two numbers. If you want to add the two numbers, maybe you can say maybe print, or you need to add that number. First of all, you must declare your number. Declare your numbers. First of all, declare your number. Maybe you need to declare your number. This is say maybe num1. Num1 standing for number ones. You can say maybe number 1 is equal to maybe 10. And number 2 to be maybe 5. So you want to get the sum, so you must say int sum. Then you write the formula for this one. Say sum is equal to num1 plus num2. then terminate it. So here you can say now print. You can say print if in order to display. Say you can say maybe sum, or the sum of first number, first and the second number is, we use this symbol percentage d in order to display the integers number. That's why you say int standing for integer number. Here and here we must specify which one, which you just recall it. So I'm just need the sum, so I must write the sum. Then terminate it and run your program to see if we get the sum. Wow, as you see, the sum of the first number and the second number is 15. So this is so let's try to write the simple program that user can enter the numbers so as to add, to get the privilege of selecting the own numbers. So from here you just say maybe remove this and you say simple program that allow user to display the program. So you can say that now say declare your first, maybe user can enter two numbers. Maybe the first number to be A, standing for first number. So you can say number 1 for better understand, terminate number 2, then sum. So from there say allow user, so print self, ask user to add enter first numbers. You need the user to just use the keyboard to enter the number. You must use the function scan F, means read from the keyboard. In order to read from the keyboard, you must decide which kind of the data type you're going to use. The kind of data type we're going to use is just int standing for integer. So you must write the percentage. Then you say this symbol means ampersand. Ampersand means for memory address. The first one is number 1. Then you can copy this one and duplicate below. Copy it and duplicate below. Waste the time. Save time. Now this change, instead of number 1, say number 2. Instead of the first number, so now change to be the second number. From there, now you have this one. So write the formulas here. Let's say sum is equal to num1 plus num2. From there, now just print the sum. We'll say the sum first number, the sum of num1 standing for percentage A, the sum of this one and this one percentage B again is this one again. This means that the first standing for first number, this standing for second number, and this standing for the sum. So the first here you may just write the num1, then comma, num2, then comma, and the last sum. Then next the program, as you see here, just say now program is over. Now we say return maybe return 0, return 10 0. Now save it, runs and compile to see how it looks. Wow, you see you have some errors here, and just an expected declaration is specified. This one or is there before the constant. Okay, this one, this one. Have some prints F. Okay. Oh, this one we not terminate it. I'll compile it. Wow, we see into the first number. So now user can decide which kind of number you want to use to enter. Maybe let's say 7. Press enter into the second number. Now I'm saying 8. Now you see the sum of 7 and 8 is there. Wow, that's very good. Wow. And this is a simple program to write in C. Now we proceed with something called not to write this program to display in the new line or the space. You have something called, maybe you can write a tab in order to see this one. You can use this backslash n means for new lines. For new lines. If we run and compile, we see now see the first one was blinking in front, but now we just put the new line, we see it below. If we say maybe 8 and into the second number, as you see, we didn't specify the new line right there. Now as you see, thanks for watching, and this is the beginning of the C programming. See you on the next session. Goodbye.